Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing you a Makeup Revolution tutorial. Apart from the base products, which I mean by the primers, the concealer, my dark circle concealer, everything else is by Revolution. If you want to carry on watching, then please do. And any comments, leave down below. If you're new to my channel, would love you to subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then give it a thumbs up, please. Would love to, because we all know what YouTube's doing to people. So I'll see you later on. So I haven't got any primers or anything like that from Revolution, so I'm just gonna stick with my normal routine. This is the AQUA mist. And I do enjoy this combination so much. And sorry, that was the KIKO Instant Perfect. And then I'm going in with the ordinary silicone primer. Just want to use it. Going in with the NYX colour corrector. So this is the Revolution foundation stick, and I got the colour F2, so I'm hoping it works. It looks very grey. I think I need more foundation. See if that'll be enough. Definitely light to medium coverage on the first one on this side, even though I put more on. So let's just buff this cheek in, see what we get. It's extremely light. You can still see everything. This is the one that's had the brush on. This one's had the foundation when you think about it. Put some more on. I think I'm happier with this side than I am with, so the brush side is the one that I'm happier with. So, and I'm not going to go out looking even. Overemphasize. Quite a perfect match actually. Guys, I'm now going in with the Revlon Conceal and Define. I do like this. I have tried this before, but it's the only Revolution sort of thing that they've come out with for concealer, so it's not like I can go and try. One. Not too worried about the forehead and that. Except I do get stuck to crease lines. I'm going into the Revolution pressed powder. It's supposed to be translucent, but I know it's got a little bit of colour, so I'm not going to put this under my eyes. Just going to go in with my e.l.f. under eye setting. Contour, I'll be using the Revolution Enhancer Glow. Then I'm taking this Revolution palette, this one, it's in medium, and I'm taking the bronzer out of it. Just bronze my skin up. So this was what I can't bronze with, and then I'm taking this colour just backwards to forwards. I do, because I don't want it on the apples of my cheek. I'm not too old, but if I do my apples, I look silly. And this way I can focus most of it behind. They've blended beautifully on top of this foundation. And then we've got the highlight palette. So I'm just going like this, see what I get. Blind. This one does emphasise your skin texture a little bit. Down my nose. I'm taking the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Life on the Dance Floor, the VIP one. I'm just going to use the Essence primer. To start off with, I'm taking the really light colour because that's like my skin tone. I'm just gonna, it's actually called Champagne, and just set this down as a base colour. I think I'm going to go into Celebrity, which is just there, guys, above my crease. Little bit of shimmer in it, so this one just here, which is called Security, and also on a smaller brush. A little bit of that sparkle, focusing it further down my eyelid. I think I'm going to go in with this colour. It's like a grey purple to darken it slightly in the crease. It's called Rank. And on the outer part of my eye, I'm going to go in with this one, which is called LBD. And I'm going to take another small, this is an angled brush. This has got a bit of shimmer in, but I just want the darkness on the edge. And then I'm just going to take this one, I think just here, which is Renown, on my fingertip. It's on. And with a clean little blendy brush, I'm just going to blend, smoking this into it. So I'm not a makeup artist, guys. I've never set a claim to be. So I just do what I feel like, if you get what I mean. It's called trying and testing, and I'm afraid at the minute this is testing me. She says, with a packing brush and some Fix Plus to make that a bit Fix Plus. with my little packing brush, see what that does first. Nada. See if I can get some of the elf mist. I'm keeping this really drugstore so as well, and see what this does. Just gonna mist my face because it's feeling quite powdery. Bounce that in. Colours that I've used, I'm not over keen of this, so, but I'm going to go into the highlight palette, I think, and using my finger, just try and, oh, I might better with the peachy one. That looks better. So guys, the camera cut out, so it just does that. But basically all I did was pop the pink from the highlighting palette just here and pop that on the inner corner. And then I put mascara on and eyeliner. Done on my brows because I didn't want to do that on camera anyway. You've seen it 1,000 times. So this is the finished look. It's been better. Not that impressed with that palette, must admit. Yeah, so I'm just going to stick some lipstick on and that'll be me done. I've taken the Revolution. It's a lipstick, but it doesn't tell you what colour it is. It's like a burgundy red. Oh, and it's actually got the lip bit on as well, so which I think's really cool. More of a magenta pink. I like that. I think that's beautiful. I do like that actually. So I'm just going to set this lot. So that is that, guys. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up.